Hello, this is Shar from The Real Kitchen for Real People, and I trust that everyone is feeling and doing well. I know it's been a minute since I've done a video. It's just been so many things going on this end. So I am going to share with you a chicken dish that's quick, because I know a lot of people don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen during the summer. So what I have here is some leftover roasted chicken. I have a potato, okay, that I've peeled, and I have onions and butter. So what I've put in this pan is butter and about a half an onion sliced, and it's looked like about maybe 4 tablespoons of butter. So what I'm going to do is slice my potatoes in this pan real thin. See, about like that. That's thin. And you're just going to cover your onions. And I just had this leftover roasted chicken that I made yesterday, and I'm going to do something a little different with it today. That's the beauty of leftovers. You know, you eat it one way the first day, and then you can turn it into a whole new dish the next day if you want to. Because I like leftovers. I think that leftovers give that entree a opportunity to rest and incorporate those flavors. So I'm a fan of leftovers. So you put this in here and you're covering this all up with the thin sliced potatoes. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is just put a little salt and pepper on top of these. Put a little sea salt over the potatoes and your black pepper. It's an easy dish, and then you tell me what you think of it. Because you can use pretty much any kind of meat you want. You can use ground turkey, ground beef, any kind of meat. Then I'm going to put a little paprika on top, of course. It's one of my favorite seasonings. So I'm going to put that there. And then what I'm going to do is just break up this chicken, cut it up, and put it on top of my potatoes. So that's what I'm going to do. And you can buy these rotisserie chickens already fixed, which makes the process even faster. But I had made this yesterday for Sunday dinner. Now I pulled the skin off before I put it on here, but it's up to you. I'm just pulling the meat off the bones. Okay, and I'm going to put the rest of my butter on there, which is probably 2 tablespoons on top. Okay. And then I'm going to shred my mozzarella cheese, and you can use any cheese you want, but I'm going to use mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Okay, I changed my mind on the cheese. I'm going to use mozzarella cheese and pepper jack. Okay, I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese. And you're going to preheat your oven at 380. Okay. Okay, now garnish it at the top with parsley. And onion powder. And now we're going to place it in our oven and cook it for 45 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm cleaning up my workstation. Okay, here we have it. It's just leftover chicken, roasted chicken, and I'm going to garnish it here with jalapeno peppers. And it's ready to serve. So that is my leftover roasted chicken recipe. So if you like it, please give me thumbs up on it. And please try it. That's the main thing, is to try it and let me know what you think, or let me know what your spin is. I have had people add sour cream to the top when they serve it. And it's great with a salad. So let me know what you serve with it and your spin on this recipe. I hope that everyone is doing well and staying cool for sure. So if you haven't already, let's subscribe to this channel so we can keep these good recipes going. I know I've been a little slow about sharing, but hopefully that'll get better in the near future. So be sure to share this recipe with your family. And it's a great recipe actually to serve to your family and friends. So until next time, I'll talk to you later. And I'd like to give a special shout out to my subscribers, because I couldn't do it without you guys. So I want you to know that you are appreciated. I appreciate you, and I appreciate your support. So keep supporting, please, and I'll do my best to keep sharing. Okay, talk to you later, and God bless you. Love, love.